I've been getting a few questions about this, so here are 3 very quick and easy ways to ascertain if your alcohol use may be problematic for you. Number 1, are people telling you it is? Now, I'm not talking about just anybody, but somebody that you love and respect, somebody that you spend a lot of time with, that knows you really well and that you trust. Have they said to you, geez, I'm really getting concerned about how much you're drinking? You can take that seriously. Number 2, do you have remorse? Do you have a lot of days that you think, geez, I wish I hadn't drank so much, or I wish when I went out I could drink like so-and-so and not have these hangovers, not have the bad consequences that I'm getting? And number 3 is, do I feel out of control? Am I going home every night, drinking my 2 bottles of wine, wishing that I would only have a glass or wishing that I wouldn't drink at all? Those are real indicators that your alcohol use may be problematic for you and that your relationship with alcohol may be problematic. They're not indicators you're an alcoholic, because there's no such thing. So if you feel like you want to change your relationship with alcohol, whether that's to completely abstain now for a period of time or forever, or reduce it to non-problematic use, feel in control of your alcohol use, watch The Solution to Addiction. It's just 3 hours. It's a quick online workshop. It's super affordable. It doesn't take up much of your time. What you believe about alcohol, you've been learning your entire life, and you probably have beliefs that are keeping you stuck in a pattern of use that's problematic. You can solve it very quickly and easily with the Solution to Addiction workshop. Go to thefreedommodel.org. It's right at the top of the page, The Solution to Addiction. Quick, easy, affordable, solve your problem, move on with your life.